In this video, we're going to decide if a given value is a solution to the equation. So in my first example, I have 5p plus 1 equals 36. Again, 5p means 5 times p. And the value that I'm given is p equals 7. So the question is asking, if I substitute 7 for p, will this equation that I'm given be true or false? So let's find out. First, I'm going to rewrite this as 5 times p plus 1 equals 36. Next, I'm going to substitute and plug in 7 for p. So I have 5 times 7 plus 1 equals 36. Now I'm going to work on the left side of the equation, and I'm going to use the order of operations. So I have a multiplication and I have an addition. I have to do my multiplication first. So I have 5 times 7, that's 35, plus 1 equals 36. And I'm left with an addition. 35 plus 1 is 36. 36 equals 36 is a true statement. So the answer is yes. 7 is a solution to the equation. My second example is 9m minus 4 equals 32. And this is for m equals 14 over 3, not p. m equals 14 over 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to first rewrite this as 9 times m minus 4 equals 32. The next thing I do is substitute for m, and I have 9 times 14 over 3 minus 4 equals 32. Now, I have to do my multiplication first. When you are multiplying a whole number times a fraction, the best course of action is to make the whole number a fraction. And you can make any whole number a fraction by putting it over 1. Now, I think it is best practice to reduce before you multiply. You can reduce any numerator with any denominator when you're multiplying fractions. So I see that 9 and 3 have a common factor of 3. So this will reduce to 1. This one will reduce to 3, which gives me a new multiplication of 3 over 1 times 14 over 1 minus 4 equals 32. The next thing that you do is now multiply the fractions. When you multiply fractions, you do numerator times numerator and denominator times denominator. So the first thing I do is 14 times 3, which is 42, over 1 times 1, which is 1, minus 4 equals 32. Now that 42 over 1, I can really just write 42, because it's a whole number, minus 4 equals 32. The next thing you have to do is actually 42 minus 4, that is 38. Does 38 equal 32? It does not, so the answer is no. 14 over 3 is not a solution to the equation.